individuals are filing their personal income tax returns, they will generally file a Form 1040. That's the basic individual income tax return form that people file. The 1040X is for amending the 1040. A lot of times we see people just either didn't receive the tax form or they missed it or it got misplaced. So they filed their tax return and they leave off a form that they received. And generally, that triggers a notice to be sent from the IRS or local state tax department saying, hey, we were reported that you had this income on so-and-so form, but it wasn't recorded when you filed your tax return. And usually they'll calculate what the tax difference is. And a lot of the times you won't have to even go back and amend your return. So the 1040X may not even come into play. Let's say your bank paid you some interest, they issued you a 1099 interest statement, and you just left it off. That's usually pretty simple. The IRS will do the calculation for you and say, hey, you owe us X amount of dollars, and that was missed because you didn't include the 1099 interest. And so the fix could be just paying the bill without having to amend any tax returns.